really look what is happening geopolitically speaking, militarily, defense, security-wise, ginagawa tayong indirect na panangga sa Taiwan. Indirect, not direct. Indirect, pero if you look at the Philippines, ang daming under Marcos Jr. government, ang daming mga defense and military agreements na pinapasok tayo with the Western Alliance, katulad ng United States, Australia, Japan, at NATO member states, NATO member states. Kung tinitignan mo, marami rin pinapasok ng mga military and defense na mga agreements. Ang tanong, why do we have to do that? Ang target kasi niyan is China. Pero hindi lang yan kasi usapin ng South China Sea. Andyan pumapasok ang usapin ng Taiwan kasi ginagawa tayong launching pad or what you call proxy or even indirect kasi ang geographical location natin malapit sa Taiwan. Pag pumunta ka sa dulo ng north, malapit na yan sa Taiwan eh. Ang Batanes actually is few hours or just 1.5 hour away from Taiwan. So, makikita mo, yun yung ginagawa sa Pilipinas. Ngayon, ang tanong, ang involved kasi dyan, when you talk about the South China Sea, is of course other claimant states. But andyan ang malaking country na hindi mo madi-deny. Andyan ang China as a claimant state. And the Taiwan issue, it is there's such a thing as one China policy, and China is very strong that Taiwan is really a part of China. So mahirap na usapin yan kasi usapin din yan ng territory na it's a claim, it's a sovereign claim na it's not even a claim, it's really based on UN resolution na ang Taiwan is part of China. So kapag ang Pilipinas pumapasok ka sa mga ganitong usapin, nagkakaroon ka ng problema, of course, with your relationship with China, which is a superpower. It's really a fact. Militarily, it's already a superpower too. So nagkakaroon ka ng problema when in fact, pwede namang simplihan yan eh. Isi-simplify mo lang ang mga bagay-bagay, wag mong i-complicate. Kasi the more the government, especially under Marcos Jr. administration, complicates all of these things, lalong nalalagay sa alanganin ang Pilipinas. Kasi lahat naman ng bagay, lalo na when you talk about the South China Sea, pwedeng pag-usapan. Marami tayong example dyan. Andyan yung Malaysia, andyan yung Vietnam. Wala tayong marinig na magulo between Malaysia and China. Wala tayong marinig na masyadong magulong between Vietnam and China. Pero ang laging maingay is between China and the Philippines. Bakit? It's not because of the Philippines per se. It's really because of the external actor like the United States putting us in that situation na nagiging proxy and pawn tayo nila against China.